जाणं भेटली आंघोळीला.
पण नवलं जातो.
पप्पाकडे फोन ठेव आणि जा. Hello Vivek, am I audible to you? Vivek? Vivek? Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay. Let others to come, we'll start. Are you able to see the screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please post on your unofficial group that join immediately. Huh? Vivek? Vivek?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Yeah, please post it on your unofficial, join immediately.
बरोबर 2 मिनिटात जातो ना.
जाणं बेटा प्लीज.
एक नवलं.
आता गेलं की नेक्स्ट लेक्चर तुला जॉईन करता येतं बेटा 9:15 तिकडे 9:15 ला.
5 मिनिटात 2 मिनिटात कपडे.
बर.
थँक्यू.
Hmm. Next group, are you present? From 35 onward?
Ma'am, some of our teammates are still joining in.
Okay, from 35 onward. Is there any group remaining?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
are present? 35 up to what?
Ma'am, we are 35 to 39,
39. Next
including
group,
35 and 39. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Next group, 40 onward. Are they present, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And remaining
Ma'am,
45
we-
onward? 45 onward, are they present?
we
One of our group member isn't here.
right.
Chalo, call them now. We have to start it. Please do it fast.
Oh, we. इथे
जॉईन कर ना तू आता.
खाली तू तरी इथं मी आलो जाणार
हा.
आणि तू काय म्हणत होती तू रॅपिंग करू नको का
नको आज कांदा नाही घालायचा तर. Yes, just call them fast. Call your partners fast, please. We have a short
Yes,
of
ma'am. Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Even
Yes,
if
ma'am.
one group,
Sure, yes.
any one group is present, we'll start the presentation. And strictly you have to follow that not more than 8 minutes, please.
दोन मिनिटं झालं आणतो करून
हा आवाज कसा बारीक करायचा.
पप्पा काय जेव करायचं
हा देते. Recording. Chalo, is 35 group ready? 35 onward. Are they present or?
Ma'am, could you
Yes, ma'am.
could you just give us 5 minutes more? One of our teammates is joining in still.
Okay.
No, ma'am, we are ready. Yeah, I didn't. We joined now.
Yeah, so 35 to 39. I'll give the right to whom?
Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
Uh,
Ma'am, give it to Shrutika.
Shrutika, what is the roll number? 30,
9.
39 only. Okay. Okay. Shrutika Patade, na? Yes, given the right. I have given her right. Shrutika?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Chalo, do it fast, beta. Shrutika?
2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Max 8 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Shall we start?
Yeah, with all means.
Yes, ma'am. Very good morning, ma'am, and all my friends present here from F2 batch. I am Gandharva Thite with my teammates Kunal Madankar, Nikhil Salunke, Rahul Khade, and Shrutika Patade. We are going to present ourselves before you and class for a study on air pollution. Shrutika, could you please change the slide? Causes of air pollution. If we talk on this, so some of the reasons for this are, as we know, Delhi. Here we are considering a case study of our capital city, Delhi. So Delhi is surrounded by states such as Haryana and Punjab, which are best known for its farming culture. So the wheat which is produced in excess, or the bad crop, as we can say it, it is burnt in huge amount, which causes air pollution. Second reason which can be stated, or it is basically a study of Central Pollution Control Board and National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, which is the over traffic caused in Delhi, which is creating a lot of air pollution from vehicles and other modes of transportation. Third reason, third cause can be stated as we know that Delhi is also known for its harsh winter season, and in harsh winter season, the dust particles and pollutants just mix in the air, which causes air pollution and resulting in smog. Smog is nothing but a mixture of smoke and fog, which is very harmful. Fourth point can be the overpopulation caused in Delhi, which has a result in increase in urbanization and industrialization, eventually leading to air pollution. Now I would like to hand over to my teammate Kunal.
Thank you, Gandharva. So Gandharva tell about some causes. Now I continue with some more causes. Investing the less on the public infrastructure is the another reason of the air pollution. In India, investment in public transport and infrastructure is low, which leads to congested road and hence air pollution occurs. Large-scale construction in Delhi NCR is another culprit that is increasing dust pollution in air. Considering the dipping air qualities, a number of the construction sites has started work at, directed by the government. Industrial population and garbage dumps are also increased air pollution and building of smog in the air. Now I would like to hand over to Rahul.
Thanks, Kunal. Hello, myself Rahul Khade. I would like to explain about effects of air pollution. First effect, air pollution. Air pollution is considered as major environmental risk factor in incidence and progressive for many diseases such as the asthma, lungs cancer, and it is also harmful for the newborn baby and old person. Second effect of air pollution, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a natural process that on the Earth's surface. When the sun energy is reached at the Earth atmosphere, the absorption and emission of sun energy by pollutant particle causes the increase in Earth's temperature. That's why nowadays Earth's temperature increases and increases. Thanks. I would like to hand over next part of air pollution effect to my teammate Nikhil.
Thank you, Rahul. So the third effect is acid rain. Basically, acid rain is produced by mixing of air pollutants from atmosphere with rain droplets, and then it falls on ground in the form of acid rain. In Delhi, from 1965 to 1984, the acidic pH value increased from 7 to 6.1 because of air pollution. The fourth effect is on wildlife. Animals also tend to migrate from one place to another due to air pollution, and so they have to adapt a new habitat due to this. The fifth effect is on the ozone layer. As we know, ozone layer protects us from Earth from ultraviolet rays of sun, but due to air pollution, the ozone layer is depleting in the presence of chlorofluorocarbons and other pollutants. I would like to hand over the next slide to my friend Shrutika.
Hello everyone, I am Shrutika. Reducing pollutant in the air is important for human health and the environment. Hence, we should take remedial measure to control the air pollution. First important measure is planting trees and stop deforestation. Second, reducing vehicle exhaust by using mass transport and using less pollution fuel. Third, industrial area seated far away from the residential area. Fourth, electrostatic precipitator. It can be used for the collection of both dry and wet impurities. Fifth, wet collector can remove both gases and particulate matter. It can used widely in industry. CatCon 6. CatCon is attached in the pathway of the silencer. In CatCon, algae is present which converts the emitted CO into O2. 7. Settling chambers are the devices that are introduced to the industrial exhaust system to remove solid particles from the emission. 8. A cyclone separator is an economical device for removing particulate solids from the fluid system. 9. A fabric filter, sometimes referred to as a bagasse, utilizes fabric filtration to remove particles from the contaminated gas stream by depositing the particle on fabric material. Next slide is handed over to Gandharv.
Thank you, Shrutika. So we would be talking about some outcomes, which are much is being done to control, monitor, and rectify damage done by pollutants. The problems are diverse and some are only being recognized, but it is important to keep a close control over pollutants so that we can maintain the environment in an acceptable condition for future generation. Basically, we all need to inhibit some habits in ourselves so that we can control the air pollution and ultimately save our mother nature. I would like to hand over to Rahul.
Hello. I would like to tell about our how we collect the information and resource our information. First resource, Wikipedia, air pollution of content, air pollution of India. Second resource, article from the Times of India. Second resource, the information for remedials copied from the National Geographic. Fourth, Fundamental of Air Pollution, written by Daniel Valero. And fifth, Air Pollution and Health, written by J.J. Arich. And sixth, Design and Animation of Slide, given by www.slideshow.net. I would like to hand over next session to Kunal.
Thank you. We can see in the pictures. As per the Gandharva said, in Haryana and Punjab, farmer burns their crop in 35 million tons of quantity. Due to this, more air pollution is occurring. Then, as per the Rahul said, see bird vehicle pictures. Bird and animal faces more difficulties due to the air pollution. Then Delhi is the populated city. That's why vehicle is the major issues for the air pollution. Now, I would like to hand over to Nikhil. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, we would like to thank you, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity to present ourselves in front of you. We expect your great support and blessings. Thank you, ma'am, from all of us.
Okay, you
Thank
are
you, ma'am.
welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Before thank you, hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Before thank you, one slide was specially kept so that other than this, what you can add up to. Next time when you will present for wastewater management, that time utilize that, show some data there, some statistics of different places. So something more from your pocket you are supposed to add before thank you. Anyone is having any question for this? Yes, please raise hand and ask the question. Yes, okay. I'll assume that there are no question. I'll give the marks and then I will go to the next one. Your group was 35 to 39, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one small suggestion for a long term in your life, if you have to go for a presentation, when one says to another that I will now request so and so to continue further, that time expected that you request it, and the one who is accepting the request should say thank you to earlier one. That is the formality expected during the presentation. Hereafter, you keep in mind the one will request, and then the second who will take the charge will say thank you to earlier one. Like this, it should go on. That is the right way of the presentation. And the matter was very good, collection was very good, but only that one slide which you are supposed to write it from your pocket needs to be there, because other than what guidelines we have taken, we have given, from that what other you can give the statistic, you can produce it percentage wise for different cities per year or annum, like that. uh, Anything you can add it, at least one slide is expected of your own. So next time onward, for all the presentation, for everyone it is mandatory. Now 639 onward, every 6039 onward, all are present. Yes, 6039 onward.
No, man.
6040 onward,
And 44 is not present.
but 44 is I think left na. 44 is left, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Not
Because last time also he or she was not there. Huh? Yesterday
yes,
also.
ma'am.
So remaining, can you give the
Madam,
presentation? 6040 up to 43, can you give the presentation assuming that 44 is not there? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
To
ma'am.
whom should I give the right as a host?
43 roll number. Nidhi.
43. Nidhi. Hmm? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have made you host. Now continue. 8 minutes. Nidhi, now you are the host. Continue.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good morning
Good
to all.
morning. Good morning.
Myself, Sham Sutar. Our topic of project is air pollution created by California wildfire. And these are our project group members: Vibhavari Tidke, Namita Podwal, Nidhi Sakreja, and Satyam Chincholikar. Next slide, please. Nidhi, next slide. Next slide, please. Okay. Now I can talk about what happened in California wildfire. In the state of California, more than 2 million acres have burned so far in 2020, which makes it record year, surpassing 2018, according to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection. Okay, I would like to hand over Vibhavari. Thank you.
Thank you, Sham. So in this photograph, we can see that how the California forests were burned. Next photograph, please. So, so this is the graph where we can see that how the California wildfire is going increasing day by day and year by year. Next slide. So the main reasons behind California wildfires are the climatic change is leading to more lightning storms. As per the New York Times, most wildfires are caused by the people and the power transmission lines or other utility equipments that can ignite fire in remote areas. As the climate changes, higher temperature and stronger winds have made the situation even worse. In 2018, a truck blew out its tire and its rim scraped the pavement, which lead to cause of spark, and thus the fire started. I'd like to hand over to Namitha.
Now it is not audible. It is not
Am I audible? Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, now audible.
Thank you, ma'am. And also thank you, Vibhavari. As Vibhavari spoke about the reasons of wildfire, I'll continue with the effects of wildfire on surrounding and on the people as well. So, as the fires burn, the carbon from the trees and other vegetation starts to combust. That is, it reacts with oxygen, to be precise, and releases carbon dioxide and other potent greenhouse gases like methane, nitrous oxide, which is really hazardous to nature. These gases spread air pollution not only nearby, but thousands of miles away, causing difficulties in breathing in even healthy individuals. It has associated with wide range of human health effects like coughing, soring of eyes and throat, asthma attacks, etc. There were 10,488 structural damages and minimum 31 fatalities in 2020 itself. Seems like 2020 had been the worst year, especially for Americans, to be precise. On one hand, there was this harsh pandemic that is COVID-19, and on the other hand, there was this brutal wildfire, which caused air pollution so badly. Now, I would like to request Nidhi to continue. Nidhi, over to you. Nidhi?
Not audible again.
Yes, thank you, Namita. These are now, I will share about the remedial measures to be taken to control air pollution created by California wildfires. Create awareness among all walks of people in the society. Extinguish fire pits and campfires when done. Report unattended fires. Call a local fire department immediately. Avoid using fireworks near woods or forested areas. We can use electric cars or use hybrids that put out less smoke. Proper implementation of the Air Pollution Prevention and Pollution Control Act 1981. These are the references we took for finding out the information. And the wrap up and related outcomes are climate change and mislead of humans has caused burning of over 2 million acres of forest in California, which has caused immense air pollution in year 2020. Remedial measures to control air pollution should be strictly followed. Our Mother Earth is suffering too much because of us. We can see the hazardous effects caused by this, the wildfire we are causing due to our activities, plus the air pollution. So we must take measures to protect our Mother Earth. Now, I again hand over to Namita again.
Thank you, Nidhi. So, what is our view on air pollution? We should reduce air pollution by every means possible. It is high time that our environment suffers due to our ignorance. We can carpool, use public transportation, bike, or even walk whenever possible. Avoid burning leaves, trash, and other materials. The next slide, please. Thank you, Nidhi. And also, thank you, ma'am, for giving us this platform to share our view on such important topic. And thank you all for listening us patiently.
Okay,
Thanks for
welcome.
answering.
Now give me the rights of host. I'll give the marks. What was missing is the slide for references was missing. So don't skip any slide. Remember that these all are slides are important one. The slide for The host, please give me the right for the slide sharing. You have disabled my option of screen sharing. Please give me, Nidhi. Okay, so presentation was good. Only one small suggestion is there. Please give the references. References are important, and don't give the references which are from the website or the Google. Give the references of the next time. If references are not there, I am going to cut 2 marks from everyone. So maybe if you are getting minimum, we got to know that maximum we can give 18. But if references are not there, you are going to get 16 marks. References are must, and at least 2 or 3 papers you have to search related to your topic, and from that you have to
Excuse me,
take
ma'am.
it. Yeah, bolo.
Hello. There was reference in our presentation.
Where you show me.
Yeah.
And
Nidhi,
one
can
more
you show it
thing.
again?
No, 1 minute. I will see. I have not received any presentation from yesterday from your batch. Please say only the leader will send the presentation. Leader will send the presentation. Then only these marks will be confirmed. Leader of each group will send a presentation. Those who are not present today, please inform them that sending the presentation on my mail ID is compulsory. Only the leader will send, not everyone. And what you have to write on the F2 batch, in the subject you will write, my mail ID is MANASI. I will give it in our in the chat box. manasi.ghamande@viit.ac.in. So if I will give, you have to send a mail immediately, yesterday's group as well as today's group. You have to send, only the leader will send the mails. If you have written the, I will check and I will modify the marks accordingly. You send me the mail, I will check it. Okay, the last group 45 onward. Are you ready? Vivek Tripathi. Okay, to whom should
Yes,
I
ma'am.
give the right for the host? Sakshi
Ma'am,
or Atharva Kulkarni. Okay, no issues. Atharva Kulkarni, no issues.
Yes.
I'll give the rights to him. Atharva Kulkarni. Atharva Kulkarni, continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
I want to Sakshi to start the
Yes.
our presentation.
No problem. Continue. Yeah,
Good
visible.
morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Myself Sakshi Yani. Our point of presentation, topic of presentation is air pollution. Next. What is air pollution? Air pollution means the presence of harmful gases, particles, and biological molecules in atmosphere, which are harmful to human health and the other environment. Air pollution causes due to various human activities and some natural phenomena such as volcanic eruption. Pollutants present in air are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, dust, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxides. Next. Causes of air pollution. There are many causes of air pollution. First, emission of harmful gases through vehicles, factories, and industries. Second, open burning of garbage. Third, some gases are released through pesticides and fertilizers which are used in agriculture. Fourth, during mining process, dust and chemical gas get mixed with surrounding air. Fifth, burning of fossil fuels, and 6, due to smoking and forest fires. Next.
Thank Thank you, Sakshi. Now I continue. Effects of air pollution. Everyone tells what is air pollution and their case study. But why we are studying the air pollution topic is that's main reason is effects that damages our entire ecosystem. Due it leads to acid rain, temperature inversion, global climate changes, for ozone layer depletion, and global warming. Everyone knows the incident of acid rain on Taj Mahal. Temperature inversion is case when the temperature of Earth is increasing, the hot air also increases. We know that hot air lies over the cold air. When the air pollutants are released from industries and bikes, they are unable to go upward. So the near the stratosphere, which is our uh, first layer in the air, the particles and pollutants are stuck there. It leads to increase in air pollution. The famous example of ozone layer depletion is a hole in the ozone layer over the Antarctica continent. And all we know is the global warming of Earth is increasing every year. It affects also us. There are two effects of air pollution on us. There are short-term effects and long-term effects. Short-term effects such as headache, nose, throat, and eye inflammation, coughing and painful in breathing, pneumonia and bronchitis. These are big diseases. Also can cause due to air pollution, skin irritations, and long-term effects that affects central nervous system, leads to headache and anxiety, cardiovascular disease that are related to her also can cause due to air pollution, respiratory diseases lead to asthma and cancer. That are the main effects of air pollution and on us. Thank you. I want to wait to hand over.
On the great small
Please, someone take the hold on because the mic quality is not good. Huh? Someone take the hold off. The mic quality is not good. Someone else, Atharva. Yeah. Chalo, continue.
Great Smog of London. Great Smog of London is caused due to lethal smog that covered the city for 5 days in 1952, caused by a combination of industrial pollution and high pressure weather condition. It is estimates that there are 12,000 deaths of people. The reason of Great Smog London is smog mostly result from gritty smoke of domestic coals fires and noxious emission of factory chemicals coupled with right atmospheric wetness and stillness. Affirmation. The British government passed the Clean Air Act in 1956 as a response to the lethal fog. Homeowners were offered grants that would allow them to switch different heating sources such as oil and natural gases and electricities. The case of New Delhi issues lack of the New Delhi has the highest ambient particulate matter pollution exposure in the country. That issues are lack of activity, monitoring, and reaction by authorities. Overpopulation, stubble burning, industrial emission, and heavy vehicle traffic are some of the main problems. AQI, Delhi's average AQI was found to be consistently above 250, and the average PM2.5 concentration was above 20 microgram, 200 micrograms per cubic meter, 3 times above the safe standard. Government steps taken to stop this are the government has taken some steps like the compulsory POC, that is population under control certificate of petrol driven vehicles, which is test for carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission, and even odd systems to vehicles to control the air pollution. Next onward, I like to Inder to take the handover.
Thank you, Atharva. Hello everyone, I am Inder Patel and I will explain the solution of air pollution. As there are many harmful effects of air pollution, so there should also be solution to it. The most basic solution for air pollution is to prevent the use of fossil fuels and replace it with energies like solar, wind, and geothermal. Strict laws should be followed for tackling the air pollution menace with their air pollution laws, and another way by raising awareness through campaigns and advocacy. Next slide, please. Some more ways are there to improve air quality. First, give more importance on prevention rather than its control. Second, plant trees along busy streets as they intake CO2. Third, encourage everyone to use public transport, walk, or use cycle as opposed to private vehicles. Fourth, required emission testing for all vehicles. Now I will like hand over it to Vivek.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now it is clear.
So to change the world, first we need to change ourselves. So educating ourselves on such topics is really important. Planting a tree or taking part in a community tree plantation drive could be the first step towards countering air pollution. We should also use electric vehicles and educate people in our community on the same. And since we are all engineers here, we should use our young innovative brain to invent new ways of cleaning air. Like there is an inventor, Anirudh Sharma, who created a machine that would turn atmospheric carbon dioxide into ink. Steps like these would definitely help us counter the problem of air pollution. Next, please. So here are some of the references that we took for our presentation. Next. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity and thank you, everybody.
Good. So give me the right of a host. I'll give the marks. See the references again consistently. I am saying, give me the rights of host. Okay, so I'll give the marks to the last group and then I'll give the attendance. Nicely presented again by all. The efforts are taken by all equally. And I'm happy that for first presentation also, don't look at the marks, why you have missed the marks, etc. It is not important. The presentation you have given successfully is very much important. So keep it up. Next time, likely that everyone will get 19 marks and that will be the highest marks everyone will get. So don't worry about this. Our final aim will be out of 25, everyone will reach up to 22 or 23 because these are all presentation, but only 5 presentation we have. First we have done it, so remaining 4 are there. Next time we have to present the same type of slides will be there, same number and same points will be there on wastewater management. What are the causes, what are the adverse effect, what are the remedial procedures, and case study, and something more about from your own pocket. And references should be strictly from journals and books. Journals you will take, they are called as references, and if you will take the reference from the book, it is called as the bibliography. So we want it next time to be improved. Best of luck, and tell everyone that you have to mail. Only the group leader will mail the group leader will mail the PPT to me. I will share the attendance sheet today again for the attendance, and also in the chat box I will give my mail ID. Immediately today itself, you just send me the mail. I will only again I am saying the group leader should send it to me, not everyone from the group. Unnecessarily, there is no need. I have seen it. Next time again, try to add something new from your pocket. So innovation for you. Huh? So this
Ma'am,
is my mail ID. This is my mail ID. Only group leader will send a mail to me with the attachment of your presentation. Fill the attendance. Those who are not there, doesn't matter. Yesterday's attendance is with me, but those who are 17
is on.
fill this form again. Put today's date, and in bracket you write it down the second turn for remaining students, so that this attendance, those who are absent, for them nothing harm will be there. So in the bracket you
Ma'am, it shows
Excuse me,
that
ma'am.
we have
Ma'am, it
already
is already
responded.
submitted. Yeah,
Huh?
ma'am, it's already submitted, it says.
Okay,
The attendance has already been responded.
okay. So today it is not taking response.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let it be. Note down by my mail ID, and those who have not submitted, please mail me. And the subject should be batch F2 EWES presentation 1 air pollution, and in bracket the roll numbers. Suppose 35 6035 to 6039. Like that, you have to write it and then send the attachment. Clear? Okay, I'll take the leave. And if you have any query, next time we are going to have the presentation, all presentation in single turn, 1 hour, not more than 8 minutes. If you will take 8 minutes, I will stop you in between. You have to take care that matter should be important, matter only will be highlighted. Sorry to say that we should give more time, but the timetable constraint are such that we cannot give more than 1 hour for the presentation, because other subject also we have to give the justice. So sorry friends, have a good day. Now I will end up the meeting.